Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. So Shivangi has come and I think Ananya also has come. So without
Yes,
delaying,
sir. Good evening.
yeah, good evening, good evening. So without delaying, what I will do, because we have got about a gap of 1 month. So quickly, I'm going to do a recap. Fine. So today is our, I believe, our fourth class. Shivangi, is it fourth class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so quickly we are going to do a recap of our first three classes. So this is day one. We discussed Bienvenue à la classe de français. Welcome to the class of French language. I told you about my journey of French language. I have done a course from Alliance Française de Bhopal of 300 hours. And then in day one, we discussed about the benefits. What is going to happen if I learn one extra language, that is French? And we got there are so many advantages. As of now, we don't know which one is going to help me in my future, but not to worry. If I have something extra with me, it is going to help me somewhere. So nothing to worry. Then we did why study of French language is important. Same letters are there. 45% English words are from French language, so it's very important. Eiffel Tower is very famous in France. Apprenons le français means let's learn French language. And then we discussed the we can say geographical situation of France. It is in Europe, and the size is just like a hexagon. So the nickname of France is also hexagon. There are a few important places of France. This is the French flag, which we discussed. The name is Drapeau Francais. La fromage, cheese is famous. Festival de Cannes is famous. Perfume is famous. Escargot, snail is famous. Baguette, the French bread is there. Mona Lisa, Napoleon Bonaparte, uh, tour, the cycle race is important. Museum, Louvre Museum is important. So we have done all these important things. And then we kept on learning words which are in French and what is their English counterpart. Bienvenue, bonjour mes amis, drapeau français, fromage, tour de français, escargot. Then we did Perfume, Festival de Cannes, Tour Eiffel, Baguette, Musée du Louvre, Napoleon Bonaparte. And I have shared all these PDF with you. So whenever you have a confusion, you can go for the revision. Okay, hexagon, Joconde is the nickname of Mona Lisa, Messi, Boku, Salut, and Bonsoir. Then this was the last one. Okay, again, few famous cities of France. So this was our first class. Now I'm going for the second one. Quickly in. Okay, sorry, I got disconnected. Now I'm back. I am back. Okay. Desktop. Okay. Now I'm going for the second one, day two. Okay, so once again, bienvenue la classe de français, and what we did in this class, we will see. Uh, I think Ananya pointed out what is the meaning of
Alphabet.
O. Ananya or Shivangi, I forgot. Somebody pointed out that north, south, east, and west. In place of west,
Yes,
why
sir.
O
Me.
is there? And then we came to know that in
OS
French, it is OU. I'm sorry that
नहीं आप होस्ट हो गई थी ना वही बता रही थी.
there is some problem
हाँ
with my
सर क्या
network.
ना
Again, I got disconnected, but I'm back. Okay. So कहाँ चला
नो
गया?
इशू सर
Okay. So then this happened, and then in day two, salut, au revoir, goodbye, comment vas-tu, how are you, bonjour, excusez-moi, merci,
एक्सक्यूज
pardon.
मी सर
Tell me.
सर आपने जो डायरेक्शंस हम लोगों को बताए थे दैट ओ स्टैंड्स फॉर उसके
OS.
प्रोनाउंसिएशन क्या
हाँ.
है
West.
I think OS I have sent.
OUEST है, उसको हम
OUEST.
हाँ. So बोलने में मेरे ख्याल से ये OST है, OST. North, North, Sud, East, and West.
Okay, sir.
And then you have again wo same northwest and northeast and north southeast, all these things are there. Okay, so coming back to this one, learn French avec moi, learn French with me. Then this is the Eiffel Tower. Again we have monsieur, madame, mademoiselle, bonne nuit, à bientôt, je suis désolé. ये हमने डिस्कस किया. Then we discussed कमो सावा, कमो तालेबू. We also discussed that अगर एक वर्ड का लास्ट is consonant and the next letter is vowel, both will combine. Kamo talevu, T and A will combine. Sawa, Biya, Mal and Kamsi Kamsa. Then we discussed alphabet. A, B, Se, De. I think आपको ये सब अब ध्यान में आ गया होगा. There are 26 letters. Only
Yes,
thing
sir.
is that कि one extra vowel is there in French. एक extra है और W और K बहुत ही कम इस्तेमाल में आते हैं. This was our day 2. So day 2 में हमने अल्फाबेट देखा था. Now I am coming to day 3.
सर वो एक्स्ट्रा वॉवेल कौन सा था?
So क्या क्या है बताओ, इंग्लिश में क्या क्या है अनन्या?
AEIOU.
Okay. शिवांगी क्या है एक्स्ट्रा? 6th one. Remember कि सब भूल गए?
I don't remember, sir.
भूल गए. So the 6th one is H. Ash. ठीक है, H.
सर वो वीडियो में वो मैम बताई थी कि एच का प्रोनाउंसिएशन नहीं होता है फ्रेंच के किसी भी वर्ड में.
हाँ मतलब नहीं होता है, मतलब कि
Yes, sir. I too
उसका
have seen that video.
उसका अपना एक साउंड है आश. उसको आश बोलते हैं. जब आप रीड करेंगे ABCDEFG पूरा पढ़ेंगे फ्रेंच में, तो आप एच को क्या पढ़ेंगे? यू विल रीड इट आश. आ बे से दे अ एफ जी आश. लेकिन चूंकि एक वॉवेल है, सो जब भी इसको हम यूज करते हैं एज ए वर्ड, तो वर्ड में जो भी इसका नेक्स्ट लेटर है ये उसके साउंड से गवर्न होता है, उसके हिसाब से ये साउंड करता है. ठीक है, बट इसका अपना ओरिजिनल साउंड जो है दैट इज
यस सर.
आश. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द थर्ड पार्ट. थर्ड पार्ट कहाँ चला गया? इट इज हियर. ओके, फ्रेंच की पाठशाला नंबर 3. So number 3 में what we did, we went for detailed discussion on alphabet. उससे हमने कुछ words भी बनाने का हमने सीखा. And we also discussed this one. The name France was taken from the Latin word Francia, which means the country of the Franks. And tallest structure जो है वो Eiffel Tower है. And Emperor of France is Napoleon Bonaparte. Beautiful river in France. I passed through Paris. ये क्या था भाई? Anybody who remembers?
शेन या सीन था.
Sheen river, and then
Yes, yes.
long and
Sheen.
thin, hard and soft bread, that is baguette. Okay.
Baguette.
So okay. And the most important city, Paris है वो, French flag, 3 colors. Okay. And les salutations, bonjour, bonsoir, bonne nuit हमने डिस्कस कर लिया था. अल्फाबेट हमने डिस्कस कर लिया था. फाइन. ओके, यहाँ तक हमारा हो चुका था. एंड देन हमने ये एरोपोर्ट एंड बेबे एंड कोका एंड दिंदों, एलिफेंट, फ्रोमाज, ये सब हमने डिस्कस किया था. राइट? यहाँ तक हम 3 क्लास करने के बाद देन वी वेंट फॉर अ लॉन्ग ब्रेक and then again we are back, and now I pray to God that now there should not be any break. Now we should go on a continuous basis every week 3 classes. So now I am opening the 4th one. Okay, so the 4th one I am opening now. Now you can see the screen, everyone.
No, sir. I'm not able.
You can't see screen. Okay.
No, sir.
1 minute. Let me try again. Tell me now.
No, sir.
Sir,
Still no. Okay. Today I am having a problem with my connection. I don't know. It is showing again and again your connection is unstable. 1 minute. Let me stop and try again.
connecting.
Let me try again. This is something big problem. Okay. Now let me try one more time. Okay, now it has come. Now it has come, everyone. Am I audible?
No, sir.
No.
Sir. You are audible, but we can't see
Sir,
screen.
only your voice is constant, but your video or screen sharing is
My
lagging.
goodness, my goodness.
Yes, sir.
It's a big problem. So what I should do? I should close this session and start again. I think we should go for that.
Yes, sir.
So
Connect
let's connect once again. Okay.
Connect again.
Okay.
Okay.